Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My name is Mary and here we have a lot of fun transforming old, inexpensive or even forgotten items to luxurious and trendy home decor. So let's jump right into today's video. So in today's video, I want to show you how I transformed one of these $5 Dollar Tree's table to this beautiful table for less than $30. Let's jump into it and see how I made it. Now that you know how you can make your structure, you can be creative and make your own design. If you like what you're watching so far, please take a moment and hit the like for me. It will help my small channel very much. If you're wondering what I'm using right now, this is paper clay. And if you don't know how you can make your paper clay, let me know in the comment section, so I will make a video for it. After it's completely dried, it's time for painting.